Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your GPU and are stuck deciding between the AMD RX 6700 XT and the NVIDIA RTX 4060, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to break down the differences between these two powerful graphics cards to help you make an informed decision. So, let's jump right in. First, let's do a quick rundown of the specs and key features of both GPUs to give you a better idea of what we're working with. So, right off the bat, we can see a few differences. The RX 6700 XT offers more VRAM, which can be a big plus for high-resolution gaming or content creation. Meanwhile, the RTX 4060 has a more power-efficient design and newer architecture, which might give it an edge in performance per watt and future-proofing. Now, let's dive into real-world performance. When it comes to gaming, the RX 6700 XT shines in more demanding titles. With its higher VRAM, it can handle 1440p and even 4K gaming with better results. In games like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 2, the RX 6700 XT can maintain higher frame rates at these resolutions compared to the RTX 4060. While the RX 6700 XT is definitely better for more demanding games, the RTX 4060 is no slouch. It's capable of delivering solid 1080p performance and even 1440p gaming with slightly lowering some settings. Plus, with NVIDIA's DLSS 3, the RTX 4060 can boost frame rates even more. So, if you're targeting high-end 1440p or 4K gaming, the RX 6700 XT has the upper hand. But for 1080p and even mid-tier 1440p gaming, the RTX 4060 will perform well while keeping power consumption low. Now let's talk about power consumption and thermals. The RTX 4060 uses a more power-efficient design thanks to its Ada Lovelace architecture, drawing just 115 watts. This means less heat and quieter operation, and it's also less demanding on your PSU. In comparison, the RX 6700 XT pulls around 230 watts, which is more demanding on your power supply, and it tends to run a bit hotter. That means if you're running a compact PC or you're focused on keeping noise levels down, the RTX 4060 might be more appealing. Another thing to consider is future-proofing. The RTX 4060 benefits from NVIDIA's cutting-edge features like DLSS 3 and better ray tracing performance thanks to the Ada Lovelace architecture. If you're into cutting-edge technology and want a card that's well-equipped for upcoming games, the RTX 4060 might be the better choice. While AMD's Fidelity FX Super Resolution, or FSR, is great, it doesn't quite stack up to NVIDIA's DLSS 3 in terms of both quality and performance boosts. If you're looking for those extra features, especially for ray tracing, the RTX 4060 may give you an edge. Price is always a huge factor when choosing a GPU. Right now, the RX 6700 XT typically goes for around $400 to $450, while the RTX 4060 can be found for about $300 to $350. So if you're on a budget and you're gaming at 1080p or lower, the RTX 4060 offers better value for money. However, if you're willing to stretch your budget a little for better performance at 1440p or even 4K, the RX 6700 XT becomes a more compelling option. So, should you go with the RX 6700 XT or the RX 4060? Well, it really depends on your needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Ultimately, both GPUs are solid choices, but they cater to different types of gamers. If you're all about pushing high-res gaming or future-proofing for demanding titles, the RX 6700 XT is the way to go. If you're on a budget and want the latest tech with solid performance, then the RTX 4060 is a great pick. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped you make an informed decision. Let me know in the comments which GPU you're leaning towards, and if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.